Yeah. Same law. Ah, yeah. Money gone, nobody answer. Feel move slow like it lose its way. Questions asked, doors locked tight. The truth get weaker every day. If poor man miss $1, police reach before sunrise. But millions shift in quiet rooms and justice close its eyes. Same law must rule the land. Same law must take its stand. No matter name, no matter rank, no matter vault, no matter bank. Same law in daylight, same law after dark. If justice choose who it protects, then justice miss the mark. Reports written years pass by, victims wait while time runs out. Every delay send one clear message: power matters more than doubt. We hear process complex soon while families break apart. A country can't grow on excuses or investigations that never started. Law without courage is paper thin. Rules mean nothing if fear step in. If truth must beg to enter rooms, then justice already left too soon. Same law must rule the land. Same law must take its stand. No insider shield, no silent deal, no truth buried, no truth concealed. Same law for worker, same law for crown. If justice only climb one ladder, then justice falling down. Transparency is not an attack. Questions are not betrayal. Accountability is not disrespect. A clean system doesn't fear daylight. If everything proper, nothing must hide. Too much secrecy dressed as order. Too much fear wear official tone. People want to stay quiet while public money walk alone. We don't want vengeance, we don't want noise. We want clear answers and systems we can trust with our lives. No, justice delayed is justice denied. Every unanswered question push hope aside. Oh, we tired of waiting, tired of pretend. Fix it now or don't call it defend. Oh, no. Same law must rule the land. Same law for every hand, from boardroom high to roadside stall. Justice must not bend at all. Same law for today, same law for tomorrow. A nation can't borrow a future built on delayed sorrow. Jamaica don't lack strength, Jamaica lack fairness enforced. Fix the system, tell the truth, let justice run its course. No fear, no favor, same law.